Hello, here is Zmotion Technology. The channel is mainly for our super high-speed real-time EtherCAT motion control card XPCIE1032H. Show you what is it and how to use step. In Lesson 1 and Lesson 2, we have learned how to install drive and do C# connection. Today, let's see one important knowledge of this card. This card supports EtherCAT protocol. It needs to do EtherCAT initialization at first before motion development. Therefore, Lesson 3 will tell you how to initialize bus and map drive I/O. Except XPCIE1032H motion control card. There are one EtherCAT drive and one EtherCAT expansion module for better showing. Also, you can refer to corresponding article together. This is the initialization program example. You can check codes from article. Let's see how to do that, which C# functions are used. Same, use fast open to do connection with the method of local. Then, browse edited basic EtherCAT initialization file. Download it into control card ROM. This is the basic file, which is mainly for this routine. And this one is needed initialization function. What's more, Zmotion provides one general EtherCAT initialization file. You only need to set some parameters according to real situation. Like drive numbers, bus starting number, etc. It can be found in our website download page. Please see this one. Basic files are developed in our IDE software RTSys. For corresponding videos, please review. Back to here, after downloading, it will initialize EtherCAT. You also can click Open EtherCAT Initialization to do again. In this process, main function is execute. It can be seen that it runs task 1 to execute EtherCAT initialization. After that, configure card position limits and drive I/O. Former two functions set soft position limits. One is forward, another is reverse. For drive I/O starting address, it still uses execute function by sending online basic command drive I/O. Before that, please remember to check corresponding drive manual. For this drive, the starting address is forward limit switch. Then, +1. See, forward hard position limit is the starting number. For reverse one, it adds 1. Maybe you are confused, invert is written. Because hard limits are special parameters. Of means there is signal. This kind of settings is correct. Then, others, some basic parameters. Units means pulse amount. DPOS means axis demand position. MPOS means axis measurement position. Speed, acceleration, deceleration, etc. Idle means motion state. For these, please refer to basic programming manual. Okay, let's debug it. As usual, start the MotionRT 7 at first. Then, run it. Select EtherCAT initialization file. At this time, it initializes automatically. Move axis forward. Not release your mouse. It will move in one direction all the time. Once released, it will stop. Make it move reversely. Next, test this part. Set soft limits. Confirm that. Move it again. When DPOS value exceeds the position limit here, axis state will become 512. It alarmed. Let's check in basic programming manual. Search axis status command. It said the position exceeds soft forward limit. Move it inversely. It will become normal. But if DPOS is more than the negative limit we set, alarm again. Let's check. Exceed reverse soft position limit. Make it forward to solve alarm. Okay, now, the important content of XPCIE1032H card is over. You also can check the article. Next lesson, it will bring EtherCAT bus modes. Thank you for your watching. If you are interested in our cards, please contact us.